In this video, I will show you the simplest way to make this 3D mini world for free. Just follow these simple steps. Open any web browser, search for Microsoft Bing image, and click on the very first link. Then select join and create, and either log into your Microsoft account or create a new one. Once you are in, you will see an interface with 15 free boosts. Now write this prompt. You can copy and paste it from the description below. Customize the prompt if you want, and then click to create. And after few time, you will get 4 images based on your prompt. Finally download the image and you are done. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.